Traveling to rural Victoria is always fun for me, and if it is for cooking, it's more exciting. Today I'm going to see my lovely friend Suze, and I'm going to cook an Irish dish with her. Now I'm going to sit back and enjoy the drive until I get there. And here we are at Suze's house.
Yes, who's there?
Hello.
Hi, Suze.
Hi. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Welcome. The guard dog greeting you.
This is Suze's mom's cookbook which she brought from Ireland in 1968. As you can see, it is well loved and well used.
Making an Irish soda bread. Now that's something that my mum used to often make in winter with soups or casseroles, just as a quick, easy, fresh bread. It's like a comfort food really. This is my mum's cookbook, which she brought out from Ireland with her in 1968, and it was actually her mum's cookbook.
Yeah.
And so soda bread is something that was always made quite a lot in Ireland because it's quite easy and quick to make, which you'll see. So all we do to start with is we've got 170 grams of just normal plain flour.
Also the same amount of wholemeal flour.
So we put both of those in there, and then we add to that half a teaspoon of just normal table salt. Then we also put in half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. So the soda is what helps with the raising of the bread. We just mix that sort of together just lightly with a fork. And then we make a bit of a hole in the middle, so a little bit of a well. And then to that we add buttermilk. So it's 290 mils of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk handy, you can use normal milk, so any sort of normal milk. I've also made it from vegan before and used almond milk. You just add some lemon juice to it.
Can you add a little bit of yogurt into that?
You could either do half and half, so half yogurt, half milk, or lemon juice and the milk. So you could either use half milk, half yogurt, or the lemon juice. If you're using the lemon juice, just let it sit for about 10 minutes so that it sours the milk, because that's what you're wanting basically. Now here comes the fun, messy part. So you just need it a little bit to bring it all in together. So it doesn't need to be too, give that a bit of a knead, and then you always have it like a round shape. So then all we do is we just pick up our bread, we stick it in the middle. Now there's a bit of tradition when you're making soda bread that you put a cross on the top, just like that. And you don't put anything else on it. Now the reason why they put the cross on is some people say that it's to keep the devil out of the bread. Others say because it's a cross. Ireland is a very Catholic country, that it's a cross to bless the house and bless the people that are eating the bread. But in actual fact, the reason why it's probably done is to help, because that's the denser part of the bread, is to help the heat get into cookers.
That's true.
But over the years they've just had that tradition. So now we just pop it in the oven.
How long?
And we set that for about 30 minutes. And then we'll come back in 30 minutes when it chimes and see how it goes. And then I'll show you how we check whether it's cooked.
While the bread is getting baked, I'm going to have a sneak peek at Suze's mom's garden. It's such a beautiful garden. I love exploring this garden. It's full of fruit trees and roses. Look at this beautiful plum tree. Oh my god, it's full of plums. That's an apple tree and there is a pear tree next to it. I'm going to definitely come back to pluck some fruit soon. Look at this beautiful Irish doorbell. Wow.
So this was the cookbook, and I think the recipe for the soda bread is here.
Wow.
So that's the soda bread that they use, which is a bit similar to what we've done today. I'll just take it out and we'll see whether or not it's cooked.
So the bread was baked for 30 minutes and it looks like it's ready.
Just lift it up and we tap the bottom.
Yeah.
So hear that?
Yeah.
Like a hollow drum sound.
Yeah.
So then we know it's cooked. So
Now we are going to cover it with a clean cloth and leave it for another 10 minutes for it to cool down.
there you go.
The bread is still warm, but we are going to cut a slice and see. It looks perfect.
So there you go. Irish soda bread.
Yum. Now we are going to spread some butter and some homemade orange marmalade. Yum, it's delicious. Thanks to Suze's mom, Rose, who is not here with us anymore. We really miss her.
If you like this video, please share and like and subscribe to Parucooks.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.